after this tragedy that has been reported in Ghatkopar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to hold a rally there today. The roadshow that will cover around 2.5 kilometer long distance and will start around in the evening at 8 p.m. While the Prime Minister will be campaigning for BJP's Mihir Kotecha, who is contesting from the Mumbai Northeast constituency. But before his Ghatkopar roadshow, the Prime Minister will also be addressing his election rally in Dindori and also in Kalyan. Prime Minister's visit to Ghatkopar comes at a time when politics over the incident has peaked. BJP is asserting that permissions for this illegal hoarding were granted during the time when Uddhav Thackeray was the chief minister.
ही जी काही संबंधित कंपनी जिची ही होर्डिंग होती तिला अगोदरच मुंबई महापालिकेने नोटीस देऊन टाकलेली की ही होर्डिंग काढून टाका, तुमचा कार्यकाळ होर्डिंग लावण्याचा संपलेला आहे. तर ही त्या मालकाने ऐकलं नाही. आता हा भावेश भिंडे नेमकं कोणाचा पार्टनर आहे? संजय राजाराम राऊतचा भाऊ सुनील राऊत आणि भावेश भिंडेचे काय संबंध आहेत? या भावेश भिंडेला सुनील राऊत मातोश्रीकडे जाऊन उद्धव ठाकरे बरोबर फोटो काढला होता का? ह्याचेही उत्तर थोडा संजय राजाराम राऊतनी आपलं थोबाड उघडून आम्हाला द्यावं.
This is not a incident. This is a murder by the people who have allowed it to happen, and all culprits should be booked and punished.
Sir, but this is a serious incident wherein now 14 people have died, and within a matter of few seconds, who is responsible? Who will take the authority of this?
It is certainly a very serious incident. BMC has already served them the notice to demolition 7 days back only. But before expiry of that period, it has happened. The people who have given the permission and the person who has constructed it without a proper stability systems norms to be followed has to be booked and punished.
Now, hearing back at the BJP, the Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction has said that there was an administrator in the BMC for the last 2.5 years, and this was the person who was responsible for the mishap and the loss of lives. Uddhav's party has also snapped the BJP, accusing it of playing politics over such a sensitive issue and questioning as to no one spotted this illegal billboard, which was 9 times the maximum size that has been permitted.
इतना दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना घटने के बाद भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उनके नेता राम कदम राजनीति करने से बाज नहीं आ रहे हैं. हमारे नेता श्री उद्धव ठाकरे जी के साथ उस पेट्रोल पंप पर जहां यह होर्डिंग गिरी थी, उसके मालिक के साथ फोटो और तस्वीर ट्विटर पर ट्वीट कर कर हमारी पार्टी के नेताओं को, हमारी पार्टी को बदनाम करना चाहते हैं कि होर्डिंग की साइज अमूमन 40 बाई 40 होती है, लेकिन यह जो होर्डिंग गिरी है इसकी 120 गुणे 120 इतना बड़ा होर्डिंग खड़ा हो गया और किसी का ध्यान तक नहीं गया उस पर. जो स्टेट रेलवे पुलिस है उसने परमिशन भी दे दिया.
Now, remember when it's come to this huge billboard that came crashing down on Monday evening in Mumbai's Ghatkopar, the 100 feet tall hoarding collapsed following a dust storm and heavy rain. The Mumbai police has registered a case against the owner Bhavesh Bhinde, who is the owner of this Ego Media Private Limited, and others responsible for putting up this illegal hoarding. However, this individual has now gone missing and the police is now trying to track him down. As per when it comes to the civic body as well, Rakesh, who is joining us right now, the accused in the case, the agency did not even have a permit from the BMC to put up this hoarding. But it cannot be missed, this giant hoarding right in the middle of the city there, Rakesh. Who exactly was behind giving it the permission?
Well, definitely the blame game has begun. Remember, the local MP and MLA come from the BJP. Ram Kadam is the MLA and there is an MP from the BJP also. But at the same time, when they were in the government with the Uddhav Thackeray, no one raised this question. And recently, the Kirit Somaiya had registered a complaint about the illegal hoarding. And as far as the law enforcement agencies are concerned, they have registered an FIR only against the owners and others unknown people. But this is the old modus operandi of the law enforcement agency, that they register the case and then there are no arrest made in the soon time. In the meantime, the accused get an opportunity to move to the court and seek anticipatory bail. Once it is rejected from the session court, maybe they get it from the high court, and later on they appear before the agencies for the questioning and for the investigation. So that has been a long and old modus operandi by the law enforcement agencies like Mumbai Police. And just the case is registered against the owner of the agencies, but no action is generally taken against the officials, against the bureaucrats who were like ignoring such kind of attitude by the agency. Remember, this was registered as Asia's largest hoarding. This was being claimed, and
All
also this was also in the Guinness Book
Well,
of
in fact,
Records.
what
the
is being
Limca-
said that this hoarding was bigger than an Olympic-sized pool as well, and that came crashing down, and this entire tragedy that would have been avoided, the lives of those 14 people wouldn't have been lost. Rakesh, thank you very much for joining in. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News Hour.